Alright, go ahead.
Okay guys, so we're going to go over now our bathroom on the go kit here. It's tempting in many cases when you have to use the bathroom and you're out on a customer property and there's a lot of woods or something similar to just step into the woods and go. That's not acceptable under any circumstances. So what you need to do is really think about it. Plan your bathroom breaks. You can either go to, delis or McDonald's or places where they have public facilities, or a gas station restroom or something. Or we've got facilities right here that you can use. Now, you need to be discreet about it, but we're going to go through and just show you what to do. So here we go. First things first, it snaps shut, and the easiest thing is just to kind of put a little leverage on the corner here, and it pops right open, nice and easy. And we've got a few things in here, but the first thing I'm going to do is just pop the entire top right off. Okay? And I'll show you why in just a second. If you just need to urinate, these are what these bottles are for. Okay, that'll make it a little bit cleaner and easier, but you should note that this top here, while it pops on and it supposedly seals, it's a little bit loose and it may leak a little bit. So after you're done with this, you may want to put this bottle into a Ziploc bag so it doesn't leak around the back. And then when you're finished, you can store it in here for when you bring it back. But first we're going to empty this out. You're going to want to have a bag with some toilet paper and some wet naps, which are going to be for cleaning your hands and maybe even cleaning the toilet seat. Some extra Ziploc bags and a liner. This is really critically important. You're going to want to put a liner in here before you use the bucket. Okay? We're just going to open this up. Put that down in there. Around the edges, make sure it's got a little room. Okay. Then we take our lid and we put it back and make sure it snaps on completely. Okay. Now it's ready to use. You can go ahead and use this in the back of the truck. Let's be very clear. Back of the truck. So when you get to a property or you get someplace where it's a little bit hidden, not too many people around, open up the truck, take out some equipment. One person can get started on the lawn. The other person close all the doors completely. Set this up in a comfortable spot and go ahead and use it as needed. When you are finished, you're going to want to take this back off again. There we go. Take the bag and tie it into a knot so it is sealed. Okay? And then that way it's not going to leak in the back, okay? Find a larger garbage bag to put this in, just in case there's any small rips or tears in this bag. Okay, we don't want that to leak out in the back of the van, be kind of disgusting. Put that in another bag, and then at the end of the day, we throw those into the dumpster. Okay, and then once you're finished, you're going to want to clean your hands with one of the wet naps and wipe down the seat. So that wipe down the seat here so the next person can have a clean seat. And then we put our roll of bags, the toilet paper and the wet naps, the urine bottle, if it's been used, into a Ziploc bag, okay? And you can store that in here. That'll get thrown out at the end of the day as well. Any extra Ziploc bags. And then the lid gets snapped right back on top again. And that's it. That's how we use the facilities while we are on the road.